So what attracted me to manufacturing was the opportunities to grow my skills.
I love anything that includes making something, I guess.
I've always pictured myself working in a role that really heavily incorporated the theoreticals of science and then actually applying them to a realistic problem. And I think manufacturing does that perfectly.
I really enjoy the work that I do, and I think historically it hasn't been offered all that much to women, but we're seeing change across Australia, and I think it's fantastic.
As a female, you're valued, appreciated and respected for our thoughts, so definitely a lot has changed just in the last 8 years.
I hope for a day when we don't actually have to focus on gender and that everybody's valued for the diversity that they bring to the workplace.
When you do have a diverse work environment, everyone can benefit from that.
Gender equality is a really important part of our diversity and inclusion program because we want to ensure that we're providing really good opportunities for women to belong, grow and thrive in our organisation.
My favourite parts of manufacturing is I'm never bored. There is always something to learn.
You've got the work-life balance and it pays well. You can support yourself and be independent from the hard work that you do.
It's an excellent career choice and really stable in Australia as well, so the job security is fantastic.
In the future, personally I'd like to see a lot more women in our leadership roles at the refinery and maybe me.